Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome to my channel. My online name is Taz. I like to go by Taz, and this is my first of many videos to come, hopefully, so stay tuned. I got a lot of stuff going on. So this topic, let's talk about this topic, and what is the best investment for next year of 2022 and possibly our whole generation? It's crypto. 100% crypto. There is so much activity going on in this field. There's so much information constantly changing in this field. If you don't know about it, you need to learn about it today. There's so much going on. So what we want to talk about today is kind of what we're going to be going over about this crypto. So I want to kind of cover where I go, that I like to trade on, the coins that I look at in particular, which we're going to be talking about the main ones today, which is going to be your Bitcoin and Ethereum. I prefer the Ethereum. We'll get into that here shortly as to why I prefer that one over others and why you should get on this bandwagon immediately. This is huge. It's critical. So let me start with a personal story of mine. So, a couple years ago, it's 2021. This was in 2019, and I had bought $100 of Bitcoin on Coinbase. That's the platform I like to trade on. And you know, I'd heard a lot about it, but it was a lot of unknown. You know, bad guys use it, terrorists are using it. You can get hacked. You can't spend it anywhere. There was a lot of negativity I heard about it. But I was also seeing that the price was going up, and if you had bought in, you could really make some serious money. So I start with $100, and I started watching it like daily. You know, previous to getting into the crypto, I traded in the stock market. I've been successful there, but not like the crypto sector. But back to my story. So as I started with the 100, a couple weeks go by, and it's just falling. It's just falling. I'm like, that's normal. That's what happened in the stock world. I can wait. No big deal. Well, it fell below $50. It fell down to about 40 something. I had enough. I quit watching it. I said, you know what? I don't even care. It's $100. Let the coin crash out. I'm not worried about it. So I turn it off. I forget about it. A couple years go by, and one of my siblings was talking to me about it, telling me how they had got in and bought some. And I told them, yeah, I did that a couple years ago. It just didn't do anything. And that's when they said, oh no, you bought when? In 2019? You need to get your account immediately and turn it on and see what you've got in there. I think you got close to $1,000. I said 1,000. 1,000? I started with 100. No way. I don't believe that. Until I logged in. I had $980 in my account. I lost my marbles. That was an insane turnaround. So that was kind of my first experience with cryptocurrency. After that, I immediately started doing tons of research. I found out pretty quickly that unlike in the stock world where you have an opening and closing bell, there is no opening or closing bell in the crypto space. It's 24/7. You can trade whenever you want. I've always dreamed of being a day trader in the stock world. I think you need 25,000 US dollars to even begin. Crypto space, $100. You can start day trading right now. So that was too cool. So I started with the 980 at this point, and I started day trading it. I made a log. I'd be happy to share that with you guys later if you guys are interested in how I went about that and how I've been successful doing that. I was able to take the 980, and within 30 days, I had got it up to 2K, and just unbelievable. So I'm highly recommend you do your homework, do your research. You know, by no means am I an financial professional, but I'm a smart American, and I've done my homework and I've done my research, and that's why I'm getting on this YouTube channel today. You know, I've thought long and hard about this. You know, this is my first video. I don't have all the, you know, cool bang special effects and all that stuff going on. Maybe not now, but maybe later. But you know, that's not what you guys are tuning in. That's not what I look for in the YouTube channels. I'm looking for really strong content, really legit content, someone who's done their homework and someone I could kind of, you know, learn from. So I'm kind of making this channel just to kind of share what I've learned so far in this space, but I'm super interested in what you guys out there, what you guys might know. I definitely want to create a channel here on YouTube where we can kind of get together and we can start connecting. I do kind of want to put a Discord channel together later, and I'm already active on the Discord channel. I play games, stuff like that. So I mean, we could connect that way as well, and just kind of start forming a community and kind of get in on this together. There's just so much opportunity out there. So back to the platform that I like to trade on. So we're talking about Coinbase here. I'll probably make another video, especially if you guys want to see one in regards to why Coinbase, why I use it. But ultimately, in my opinion, they're the most trusted crypto trading platform out there. They specialize in crypto trading. They're all about crypto trading. You know, you'll need to set up your bank account. You'll have to, I'm sure you already have one, but you'll need your bank account. You'll need to connect it there. They're going to verify you, you know, things like your social security, driver's license, proof of residence, that sort of nature, because they're legit. You know, they do report to the IRS, so hopefully we're going to be in the profit margins, and we're going to need to pay taxes. Which is kind of a gray area in the government right now, where that kind of is up and down right now. But the way I see it is, if we're making money, who cares? You know what I mean? We're getting ahead. That's the whole point of this. So they're legit. This last year, they had got listed on the stock exchange, so they're an official company. They've been investigated. You know, their company was looked at, you know, top to bottom. Are they a legit company? Do they have legit services? You know, are they compatible to actually be on the stock market? And they were listed. I believe their ticker symbol is coin, COIN is their symbol. Check them out, look them up. You're going to make more money in Ethereum and in Bitcoin. I'll show you here shortly on the computer why you're going to want to go that route. But that's ultimately, you know, where I trade and why I kind of trade there. So, let's talk about your coins and what all you can do. So there's a few ways you can make money trading these coins. Obviously, like in the stock market, you know, when your coin's kind of going up, you're making money. If it's going down, you're losing money. So be prepared for that. It's not going to be you know, we click the button and put some money in and, you know, kudos, we're millionaires. It's not going to happen like that. You're going to have some rough patches. You're going to go down. You know, you're going to go up. So the point is knowing when to buy, when to sell, when do you hold and, you know, hold the guns, and when do you let them loose. You know, that is key in this investment strategy. So learn about that. Comment below if you've got questions on that. I'd win some time with the community and kind of share how I've studied over the years on, you know, it's the same as stocks. You know, these linear graphs that are going up and down. We can talk about that, but, you know, really learn about that's super important to know when to buy and when to sell. So just kind of focus in on that, but that's only one way to make money in these coins. There's other ways to make money. So in the stock world, there's certain companies, Apple, for example, they pay what's called dividends. For those of you that don't know what a dividend is, basically an X amount of time, depending on how many shares you own at that point in time, they'll pay you out money you know, for holding the share. Sometimes it's not a lot. There's not a lot of money at all. I think last time I looked, it was like 50, 60 something cents per share, which is minimal. Okay. So some of these coins that I was trading on Coinbase, with the 980 to the 2000 that I was trading on, I was focusing on coins on Coinbase that had what's called an APR, annual percentage rate. So meaning if you held that coin, not only could you earn holding the coin as it goes up, but you could just earn just holding the coin, period. So if you wanted to, per se, pick the coin up, hold it, walk away, come back later, you're most likely going to ride a graph going up, and you're going to accumulate interest. Now, the interest, this is really the cool part, in my opinion. The interest is paid out in that coin. For example, Coinbase is doing interest on the Algorand, I think I'm saying that right. It's the ALGO, I believe, ticker symbol. Tezos, Cosmos, Ethereum, if you lock it up. We'll talk about that in a second. But yeah, you got all these coins that are paying this money. So in the midst of me trading, part of my 2K that I got, you know, a small amount, probably $20-$30, was accumulated in interest. So that is super cool. There's other crypto spaces, other trading platforms. We don't have time in this video, but man, you can do what they call staking. You need to know what that word means. So the word stake with crypto is basically where you take a coin and it is in what's called a lockout phase. So different platforms, different coins have drastically different rules. Some of these coins you can lock up and unlock, you know, like that. Others, you know, I'm in one particular coin. It's going to take me a month to get out of it if I unlock it. So just kind of pay attention to that. But the benefits of doing that is you guarantee yourself interest in that coin. And if it's a coin you believe in, a coin you've done your research on, it's, you know, that interest is actually more than what you're getting. So, you know, do your homework on that. That's another great way to make money in this space with just buying these coins, just getting into these coins. There's just so much potential with this, and that's just buying the coins. The next couple of videos I'm also interested in making is going to be NFTs, non-fungible tokens. What is an NFT? What are you talking about? What's the importance of those? It's next generation, next world investing. It is the way to go, 100%. I promise you. You gotta get on this. It's basically your video games. Everybody knows, you know, probably Mario, Pac-Man, right? You know, these old school video games, even the newer ones, World of Warcraft, Call of Duty, you name it. Everybody knows about these games, but there's one thing they all have in common. You can't make money playing these games. There are new games coming out that have been coming out that are getting a lot of attention, and you can make money in these games. I have made some serious money in some of these games. We have got to get educated on that. You need to learn about that. There's so much potential in these video games. I'll give you 2 hints, videos I'm going to make here soon. Number 1 is going to be Axie Infinity. This game is on fire. I mean, you're going to need a little bit of money to buy in. We'll dive into that in the next video, but long story short, you can make some real money in this game. Game number 2 that I'm involved in, that I'm starting to turn some money in, is Splinterlands. Splinterlands is a card game, and you basically kind of battle a real life player, and you know, if you win, you can earn in-game currency, and of course you can take that currency and you can move it to a trading platform, trade it for US dollar, bam, we know what we can do with that. Vice versa, you're having fun with the game, you can further invest in the game, you can get other assets within the game that could increase tenfold on you as an investment. You can turn that into USD, or you can continue to play the game and grow an online empire. The choice is yours. And that's what's so unique about this field. It's just, it's mind-blowing. It's so mind-blowing. I'm so excited I'm making this video. I'm so excited you guys are here. This is a good time. This is going to be a good time, guys. Please make sure you hit the subscribe thing or whatever it is. You guys know what to do. Just do it, okay? You got to do it. I'm going to put a link below in this video with the Coinbase. They just announced right now where you can, so if you invite customers to join their platform, $100, right? You invest $100 in a couple coin, anything, you'll get $10 automatically. Myself, I will get $10 as well. So we already can benefit each other right now without even, you know, first video already, we're already benefiting. But let me flip this camera real quick. I want to show you, this stuff on here. All right, so what you're looking at here, this is your graph, okay? Which one is this one? This is the one I think you should be in, okay? This is the Ethereum coin, and it is nothing shy of on fire. So if you bought in within the last hour, you're already up, you know, 0.5%. Is that a big deal? Not really. No, that's not really that big of a deal in my opinion. You know, in a day, he hasn't really gone anywhere. He's kind of, you know, not really moving too much, which is not the worst. So in 1 week, he's down 2%. So as a buyer, this is kind of stuff I look at. You know, if I'm not in this coin, when's a good time to buy in? You know, we look at a month. It's totally time to buy in. In my opinion, he's on sale, 14, almost 14.5%. Here's the best graph right here. Look at this. In 1 year, if you bought this guy 1 year ago, you would be up 610%. If you had $100, that would blow up to $610. Name a stock that went up 610% this year. I dare you to send the comment. I'd like to see it. I'd like to look at it. I don't think he exists. I really don't. That is insane turnaround. Look at his all. So from start to current, that is an insane number. Is that even a real number? Yes, ladies and gentlemen, that is a real number. 570,000%. Over 570,000%. I don't even want to do the math on $100 on how much that is because I wasn't involved then, and I'm upset about that. That was in 2016. Had I played the game in 2016, boy, we $97. You could have bought so many Ethereum coins, and now look at him. He's over $4,000. That is insane. So that's your Ethereum one. All those video games that I just talked about, they're all based on the Ethereum blockchain. I really think this guy has the potential to surpass Bitcoin. I really do. Most of your professionals are going to look at the Bitcoin as kind of like gold, Ethereum, silver. I think they got it wrong. I think the Ethereum's going to be gold one day, honestly. So moving on, we're at the Bitcoin coin now, right? So he's currently priced, it is December 11th, 2021. He's at just over $49,000, $49,049 and a penny, right? So in 1 hour, he's done nothing. He's flatlined, basically, right? In a day, okay, you know, if you would have bought earlier in the day, you're making a little bit. You're up 1.5%. That's always nice to see your financial investment going up, right? 1 week, okay, wasn't like Ethereum where he's on sale. He's kind of flatlined. He hasn't really, it's not really going anywhere for the right now. Now, for the 1 month, this is important. All right, so if you look at it from a 1 month standpoint, if you're not involved in this, you need to buy it now. You need to buy it now immediately. He is on sale, 24%. I mean, you got to buy him. That's a huge drop. I mean, he was at 65,000, you know, a month ago, and he's at 49. Think about it. I mean, if you did have that much to buy that coin, that's awesome, and you're going to shoot up to 65. That's worth talking about. You know, but look at his 1 year. He's not quite as drastic as the Ethereum. Ethereum was what, 600% or, you know, just over. This guy's at 160. That is still an insane yield. Not only did you make your money back, you made it back, and you almost made it back twice. You know, time and a half, basically. So why are you not involved in this? You need to get involved in this. This is super cool. I love showing this to you. And that's just 1 year. For the all, look at him go. I mean, come on, 46,000%. Had you been involved back in 2014, you could have got him for $500. I mean, that's just crazy. So anyway, thanks for taking the time to watch this video. I've got more coming on the way, and I think we're going to kill it together. So once again, don't forget, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, give me some comments. Did you like this video? Were there things I covered that I didn't cover enough? What else do you guys want to hear about? You know, all the videos I'm talking about making, you know, the video games, the Axie Infinity, the Splinterlands. I'm going to make those videos. I'll show you in-game kind of how to play and get around on there. I definitely want to make a Coinbase one for you. You know, because it's the best platform. Don't even bother with Binance. Binance is a good one. I personally have a Binance account, but you know, especially if you're a beginner, start with a Coinbase. That one's a lot more user friendly. It's easier to set up. They have a learning program where you can learn about some of these coins and earn real money in that coin, and then you can make the decision on, do you want to stay in that coin or do you want to convert it over to Ethereum?
I converted to Ethereum. So anyway, y'all, thanks for tuning in. Happy New Year. It's coming up, boy. I'm ready for 2022. I can't wait to see what's going to happen next. So thanks for y'all's time, and peace out.